Today in our lovely old stamps, we're going to visit Pakistan. Look at this, aren't they beautiful? And they have a overprint of 7. So I guess they could make these stamps anything they want, and they just put the overprint. It was a 1 Anna. If you look in the upper corners, the left-hand corners, it's a 1 Anna. And these two are both together. So if you find them together, leave them together. If you separate them, it does not bring more value. It brings more value if they're together. And it's so pretty to look at. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. Gives you a little bit of view of the land, of course with the trees, but a little bit of the land. Now let's go on to our second one here, second group. Speaking of the land, there's the tractors. All right, and those two are also together, and they're 40p, the two tractors. Always good to leave them together. Apparently he's doing some wheat. Okay, then in the second row, you get to see some more of the water, kind of like the dam, I guess. You have a 15 in a rosy color, and you have 25 in, I guess it's supposed to be a shade of green. Green, odd blue, not quite sure. Okay, now let's go to our third group. Oh, look at this. Now that top one is like one of the beginning of their stamps and stuff, with the moon and the star. It says Pakistan postage. Then in the second row you get a view of the mountain with the water. Kind of like a little bridge right there to cross over. So that's really different. You have a 2 in the red and white and a 5 in the blue and white. Both the same picture, just different value. Kind of neat. That top one's really cool. Okay, and now for our last group. Here we have a 4 in green and white. Very big stamp. Very nice. And then in that second row, these are some more of the beginning of their stamps. You have a 1A, 1.5 AS, and a 2. So the 1A is blue and white, 1.5 is green and white, and the 2 is red and white. I'm almost wondering if that 2 is 2.5 or simply just a 2. I don't know, the cancellation's kind of on it, so I'm not quite sure. Alright, hope you've enjoyed my bringing these to you. Be sure to sub me, join me as a friend, and we'll bring us some more as we find them and come across them. Alrighty, bye-bye now.